Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we have a unboxing video of some fish I ordered off the internet. First time I've ordered fish off the internet. So let's see how I open this up. So we have a cichlid here. I forget which variety I ordered. I know I ordered a blue dolphin, and I'm not sure which one this was, but it's a blue one as well. And I'm pretty sure that one I just put in was the blue dolphin, and this was the other one I got. It's meant to be a blue with black stripes. And here we have some loaches. I think I ordered 5. 4, 5. Here we have some assorted mollies, I believe they said they were. So we'll have probably sailfins and standards. Looks like there's a black sailfin in there. And here we have some balloon mollies. These are some of my all-time favorite fish to have. Very nice. This last one, this wasn't actually a fish I ordered. I ordered a half beak, but they said they were out of stock, so they asked me if I would take something else for around the same price, so I just asked for one of these, and I'm going to have to order a couple more because I've only got the standard Cadorias, the bronze Cadorias. But this is a panda. And in this tank here, I have 2 betters, actually, maybe it's 3, unless I took the other one out. 3 better males that live together. There's another one there. So you got your crown tail one. Actually, I think I'm breeding the other one at the moment. It's a half moon. He's over here. These eggs should just be about hatched. He's probably looking after the fry right now, but he usually lives in that tank with these fish here, and they don't have a problem. They're not running away from each other. They don't nip each other or anything. So I've had some success with it. Like, look at this. They're not scared of each other or nothing. There's no anxiety between them at all. They'll swim together. They'll flex at each other. They won't touch each other. And in here I've got me better fry. There's about 60 of them in here. About 7 weeks old last Monday. So they're getting pretty big now. They're growing really fast each day, water changes. Definitely you need to do those water changes each day for the growth. The only reason there's rocks in this tank is because I bought a tank to put my cichlids in, so I moved all my tropical fish out of this 20 gallon here and put them into my big aqua one, 850. And there was already rocks in it, and I just didn't want to screw around. I've been sick the last couple of days, and I had them all separated in the 2 different batches, even though they were from the same batch, so I just wanted to put them back together. I separated them because I only had them in a 10 gallon, 15 gallon. This one here, if you see my videos. And in this tank, oh, turn the light on there. In this tank here, I've got about 100 fry, 4 weeks old, so yeah. I'll probably end up putting the coolie loaches in that fry tank, or maybe the other fry tank, I don't know. They're pretty harmless with fry, but I really like coolie loaches. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Check out my fry videos. I know I breed better. I've been breeding better since I was 16, but so I've been breeding them for probably about 6 years. But you know, like I've been doing a lot of moving around and stuff between houses, so I've only had a real chance to really start filming videos now and recording this stuff. Like I've been doing it for a while, but yeah, so check them out. You know, I sell fry as well. Like I've only just moved into my new house now, and this is probably going to be my permanent home for a while. I'm in the granny flat at the moment where I've got all my fish, and so if you want to purchase some fry off me, or you're looking for a certain fish, let me know and I can probably sort something out for you.